My name is Maureen from Mobility Plus in North Scottsdale. Today I'm going to talk about charging your Golden LiteRider that you've either purchased or are renting. First, on the charging box, you have two ends, one that goes into the wall and one that goes into the scooter. Each end has three prongs. First, you're going to take the scooter end and plug it right into the scooter, right under the steering tiller. Once that's done, you're going to take the regular plug, put it right into the wall. You'll get the lights on your scooter charger that let you know that the scooter is charging. Only charge the scooter when necessary, or at least once a week. Do not keep the scooter plugged in to charge for long periods of time. When the scooter is charging, the top light will be green to show you that there is power going to the scooter. The bottom light will either be red or green depending on whether or not the scooter is fully charged. If it isn't, it will be red. Once it is fully charged, it will turn green. Then you know your scooter is ready to go. Another way you can charge your Golden LiteRider scooter is to remove the seat, pull out the battery box, and bring it into your home or the hotel if you're traveling, and then you can plug it in directly into the battery box. There's a small area right here on the side of the battery box where you will just plug the scooter in. Thank you for watching.